convinced because nobody else claimed it. I'm like, man, it was not a dream.
It's mean. Siblings, you know.
And now he's the most successful person.
Gentle tuck of your chin, just a gentle tuck of this. Not too much, and then relax there. There you go.
So if we rest
Occipital ridge.
here in clinic, they will take points off, right?
Okay, so then go like this. I just like this one because I can lean into it and then I have support from the table. This you can push through the back leg, but you don't really need a whole lot of pressure for this, so I don't want to go overboard with this pressure here. So if I come here, see the pressure lightens up a little bit? That's that way, and then that's that way. And I haven't changed me pushing with my arms. So which one feels stronger?
This one?
Okay, I'm going to switch. Which one feels stronger?
I don't know.
It's the same, right?
Yeah.
Okay, because I was in the same position. Okay. Tricked you. Okay, now here. Feels a little less, right? Yeah, so if you want a little less pressure, you can change your footing. If you want a good power press through the feet, you know, good comes into the arms. So we can go show you this way too. So now I'm doing cranial caudal. So I've gone cranial caudal, two thumbs side by side. Never separate, always connected. Okay, this way you have a good support system for your thumbs. Cranial caudal, work to the midline. Come to the ridge, drop under, place your fingers, your thumbs right in between the ridge, trying to separate the occipital ridge from C1, working the fibers in between. It's a good aerial view. Okay, so it's medial lateral, medial lateral, medial lateral out to there, cranial caudal, cranial caudal, cranial caudal out to there. Now, once you're here at 45-degree angle at the midline, remember when we straightened our fingers and we went between C1, C2? This is 45. Ready? Watch this. 90. Straight in, multi-directional friction here. Now you're between C1 and C2. 90, occipital ridge, C1. I'm not even changing anything. All I'm doing is coming up on my back toe and going to 90 degrees. That's a 90-degree angle straight in. That's a 45-degree angle, my thumbs. 45, 90, okay? So you start here, then you just drop into 90. Then you do multi-directional. That'll put you between C1 and C2. What does C1 and C2 ensure? What motion?
Rotation.
And between the occiput and C1 is what?
Well, yeah, nodding, reflection, extension.
Rocking and tilting.
Yeah.
Here we go. Okay, if you want to record, I'm going to do it on the other side so you'll have it. Ready?
I was recording.
Okay, well, we can do the medial. Oh, you already got all that. Okay, great. We still have to do the other side anyway. Okay, midline, EOP, straight down, spinous process. Come find the bottom of the ridge. I'm going to step back here. I'm going to use a little more pressure on this side with this leg positioning. So there's the bottom of the ridge. I'm coming under it at 45. Medial lateral friction. Is that pressure okay?
Your belt buckle's so cool.
It's cold.
It's on my
I don't want to poke you. I don't ever wear belt buckles is what I wear. I just wear stretch pants like that and tank tops.
Comfy.
Yeah, I can't. I can't be uncomfy.
That's good pressure.
Medial lateral friction right under it. This side's not as tight. It's a lot looser here. There's his mastoid right there. There's the medial portion of it. So I'm going to come right up to that edge of it, even coming almost touching it right there. Medial lateral. Then I'm going to do cranial caudal. So cranial caudal, inch my way over, cranial caudal, thumbs together, straight fingers, cranial caudal. Then maybe a little medial lateral if I want. I can combine them, and then trying to separate here. Dirt, dirt, dirt. And then I'm going to drop into the 90, straight down, C1, C2, multi-directional friction, so a little medial lateral, then a little cranial caudal. And that's your posterior. Now, I'm going to show you this one, and then I'm going to show you the glides, and then you guys are going to do both of them together, so I don't separate it all, okay? So I'm going to get a little lotion. Hey, they glow, don't they? Like runner's pants.
You need lotion?
Yeah, I just need a little drop.
And what was that one called? The glide one?
That was Suboccipitals Prone.
Okay.
And the
then
glide
next.
is cervical lamina.